Okay, we are here in Florida, in Dana Beach, Florida, about to go meet up with a very special lady and her husband for some lunch.
What's
We
that?
contact each other on Instagram. They said they were gonna be out here, and we was already out here. So now we about to go and hook up with them.
So her name is Lady Will, and she run a YouTube channel also. So you guys make sure you check them out. And they ride Harley Davidsons, clean bikes too, but only seen them on YouTube. I haven't seen them in person before. This is our first time
Right.
meeting them. And this is what we love most about traveling and motor vlogging and the motorcycle community, meeting people. And it's gonna be our first time. And what is it, Dana Beach, baby?
Dana Beach, yeah.
Yep. So we're gonna have some lunch, chit chat, have some fun. And then,
And we had a chance to meet her at Bike Week one year.
oh, that was last year.
Cause that was last year.
Yep.
Okay, well she was recording and standing next to my bike, and I was across the street and didn't even know it until I saw her video, and I said, "Hey, that's my bike." You were standing next. We could have met each other that day, but we missed it. But now we're about to do it again on a more personal level.
And you know this, man. I just saw a sign say beach parking limited, but I know there's motorcycle parking there. Hopefully all that's not clogged up.
Yeah, today is Saturday.
Right.
And a beautiful day to ride too. My temperature is 8.1 on the bike.
I have 8-2.
Okay.
Okay, when you get to North Beach Boulevard, you're gonna
Mhm.
turn left. So get in the left lane.
Oh, thank you.
I'll take lead. Ooh. All right, let's see where this goes.
I think we were supposed to go that way.
Get in the right lane.
That was the lucky fish.
I think we missed our turn.
Once again.
We're about to find out. Yep, we got to turn back around. So it's over here somewhere to the right.
All right.
Any cars behind you?
Nope.
All right, on the U-turn. Yeah, because this is like you're going into a gate up there. See, I should have been behind you. Did you dip to the right before you turn?
Yeah.
Look at that big old jack. Right there.
Wow. You don't want none.
All right, let's see. Turning left.
Left. To the left. To the left.
Nope, straight
We're
ahead,
gonna
straight ahead,
go
then left.
straight. Go straight.
Yeah. This left will be it. Yep, Cambridge. Car coming.
Mhm. Man crossing the street. You looking like, oh,
All right.
you'll be all right.
Look like we're in the right area now. Because we got to turn left.
Lifeguards. Just people hanging out at the beach.
No, they look like Boy Scouts. Or Scouts, I
Oh,
guess.
it's
you
a
said.
red. It's a red stop sign there.
Okay. Cadets and Scouts. when I was looking online, the motorcycle park was on the other side, so we probably have to go there and come back. But since it's a one round trip runway,
One way.
I just don't know how far down it was. Maybe they got it on this side too. 13:59. Supposed to meet at 2 o'clock. We got 1 minute left. All right, where they at? Where they at? Where they at? Yeah, where they at? Where they at? What's the name of the restaurant? Oh, I see it down there on the pier.
Water deck.
And if I was correct, no, that ain't it. I'm trying to find a motorcycle parking. Probably gonna have to go park on the other side. Unfortunately, everything is paid.
Man, your mama never home. Everything you gotta pay to park in Florida everywhere you go.
Okay, I see the quarter deck. Okay, motorcycle parking right here. I don't see their bikes. We'll go on the other side and park over there.
That bike parked sideways.
Was it?
Yeah.
Whew. At least we know we're not late. What's up,
Fucking waiting on us.
None of these bikes sideways.
Hmm?
None of these bikes are sideways.
Oh, it sure looked like it was sideways.
Got a lot of sand here on my back end. Watch your footing.
Is that bad?
Yeah.
I ain't gonna be able to go uphill.
Yeah, it's bad.
You heard me?
What?
Come do it for me.
I'm gonna sit back. I'm just pulling forward. That's all. Stand by. Watch your footing too. Here they come. You gonna go forward?
Yeah, I'm going forward.
Oh man. Yeah, I go getting all super excited again.
Ooh. You say watch that footing and
Yeah.
guess what?
Yeah.
My foot went.
Back up some more.
Yep. Oh shit.
Okay, you good.
Look,
I'm
we
mad
be
about the
making our
dog.
exit plan to be able to do like this.
That's the
There you
plan.
go.
Yep.
That's the plan.
That's a good plan.
I say about 3 more years.
3.
Yep, we're gonna start working in 2026. Hey!
You better watch it. Huh? Yep,
3
yep.
more years, and then we're gonna get the tour. The animals gonna come.
outside.
Yeah.
Raccoons, possums, yeah, all of that.
The animals gonna be out there.
None of that bother.
That's what they say.
We're about to eat right next to the beach. Watch, let me show y'all this. Watch. See that? And we're coming all the way back here. Oh, snap. Walking all the way around. Oh, that water look inviting. All right, introduce yourself.
I'm Lady Will and
Rod,
Big Will.
Big Will.
Big Wheel,
Hubby.
Hubby, Big Wheel.
What you riding? Where you from? What you riding?
2021 Road Glide.
Black,
Standard.
right?
Standard, huh?
That black one?
No. Was it Gully Gray?
Yeah.
I'm about to think about somebody else. What you got? What you
Yeah, and I got a 2021 Street Glide, the best of them out there, and it's called River Rock Gray. So, River Rock Gray, and I'm born and raised in the county of Dade.
Oh, there you go.
Miami. That's what they say.
Hey, another question. You got to name your bikes?
I do.
Yes.
My bike name is Lady.
Lady.
Lady, my bike's name is Essie May. Essie May.
Auntie May?
Essie.
Essie May.
Grandma.
Essie May.
I heard that. And I don't know why people get mad. Home name my bike. Why not?
Right.
Give you somebody to talk to when you're by yourself.
Right.
Exactly.
Get us down here now.
Right.
Interview right quick, but we got all excited and then properly do the introduction. All right, what we gonna start with? Hey, boom, hey, ooh. Look, all right, who we got? Look, my name is Richard Chad. Do the prep. So how long you all been camping and at it?
Camping on a motorcycle or in general?
Just in general. You on our fourth? 4th year riding as a couple. What advice do you have for us to be able to continue to do this long term and then still stay married?
Okay, I'll wait for somebody. I'm gonna have that. Come on, baby. I'm not gonna talk the marriage part. I'm talking about the long term part.
Okay.
You ain't gonna like the answer.
Yeah.
The best advice I can give, number one thing I give long term as a couple riding motorcycle,
Yeah.
but you still have to like being with a person.
Yes.
Yes. Yeah.
Yes.
I'm gonna love you, a family.
Yeah.
Right.
But I don't like being
If you want to, but I don't want to be alone.
eat lunch together, breakfast together. They be like, dang, y'all together all much. Yeah, like,
That's what you tell me all the time.
Exactly what I told you.
It's Cake Meal. Lady Will. Big Will.
Oh, yeah.
One of these people are doing their own thing. Y'all see how they played me? They ordered the same thing and left me out. I'm left out of mine.
hey. Oh. Yeah, like oh.
I'm camera shy.
Oh, Lord.
Camera shy?
I thought the right side is the right side.
I thought so too. You know, you walk how you drive, right?
Right.
Not in Florida.
I know Florida, we got different routes. Now he gonna have to get off my state. They come to get Lord, they come to get me.
Uh-oh.
Better go sit down.
Run, they coming. There they, baby. Look at that. That Lady Will and Big Will. Y'all know who those bikes belongs to?
But you can't tell me.
Clean. Uh-uh.
That's how you start?
Man. Those bikes belongs to
Lady Will,
Lady Will. You saw the
Lady Will, and the Big Will.
and Big Will.
Had a wonderful time. I'm losing my voice. With those two, Lady Will and Big Will, you got to check out their YouTube channel. They're about to roll out now on those beautiful bikes. Kay gonna catch them rolling out. I'm just gonna make sure our time limit is still good on our bikes. But a beautiful time, beautiful day, and this we love most about the motorcycle community, especially YouTube, meeting people that we only seen on YouTube. Y'all know what I'm talking about.
I'm sneaking up on these people to watch them pull out. Lady Will, her YouTube channel. We just had a fantastic lunch with these two right here.